Happy morning to my cute little children. Welcome back to our science class. And today we are going to start with our new chapter, that is growing plants. And now there is monsoon season. Everywhere there is greenery. New plants are growing, right? So for this time, this chapter is perfect. Okay, so let's start. And our today's topics are structure of seed, growing new plants from seeds, and dispersal of seed. Okay kids, so let's start. So our new chapter, growing plants. But children, tell me, are we dependent on plants? Why are plants necessary for us? How do plants help us? Come on, tell me. One point. Come on, tell me children. How are plants useful for us? Come on, try. Yes, plant give us fruits to eat. And second point. Yes, plant give us oxygen to breathe. Right? So, let's see. Here it is. Plants are green friend. Why are plants called green friend? Because they help us and they are green in color. So, plants are called our green friend. Okay? Why? Because they give us grains and pulses to eat. They provide us food. They give us fruits and vegetables. Okay? All the yummy fruits and vegetables we get from plants. Third, wood. All the furniture, the bed on which you sleep, the cupboard in which you keep your clothes, your books, all is made up of wood. And that wood we get from plants. Oil and medicine. Tulsi is a medicine, right? And tulsi is a plant. And we get oil also from plants. How do we get oil from plants? Think. Coconut oil, and coconut is on plant, right? So we get oil and medicines from plants. Tea leaves. There are specific plants which grow on mountains, and from those plants we get tea. Cotton. The cotton fabric which you wear we get from plants. Okay kids, so plants provide us fabric, okay, plant provide us oil, medicine, plants provide us oxygen, plant provide us medicines, fruits to eat, many things. So plants are our green friends. Let's move ahead. Our second topic is structure of seed. ठीक है, seed कैसी होती है? Now children, there are many types of seeds, right? See, this is a seed, and the outer thick covering of the seed is known as coat of the seed. And what is the function of coat? हम सर्दी में कोट पहनते हैं ना, so वो कोट हमें क्या करता है? हमें सर्दी से प्रोटेक्ट करता है. So what will be the function of seed coat? The function of seed coat is protect the seed from surroundings. Second one is a tiny hole. See, a tiny hole is present here on the seed. What is the function of tiny hole? Water enters the seed by this tiny hole. Okay? And can you see this portion? This portion is known as scar. Scar, spelling S-C-A-R, scar. This is the portion by which the seed is attached to fruit. Okay? This is the tiny hole, and which are the other portion? Yes, see. When we will open the seed, we will get this two fleshy cotyledons. Cotyledons are also known as seed leaves. Okay, and in this cotyledons, all the nutrients, vitamins are present for the seed. And this portion is baby plant, the baby embryo which is present inside the seed. And this baby plant grows up to become a big plant. Okay, these were the parts of seeds. And now our next topic, growing new plants from seeds. Children, there are many seeds present in a fruit, but all the seeds do not bear plants. Why? Let's see, and tell me what you have seen here. Oh, here there are some animals, bird and a dog. And what are they doing? Oh, they are eating the plants, and then wind is coming, rain is coming. So, what you observed in this? What you observed, children? There were some seeds, some animals were shown to you, and then wind was blowing, rain was coming, and here there are seeds present. तो आपने क्या देखा इस वीडियो में? जरा सोचो, think. Yes, some seeds are eaten by plants. Sorry, some seeds are eaten by animals. Some seeds are eaten up by birds, rats and other animals. Okay. Second point, some of them may get destroyed by wind and rain. जब जोर से हवा चलती है तो क्या होता है? Seeds get destroyed. Third point, some do not get sufficient air, water and warmth. For a seed to germinate, it needs proper air, water and temperature. If these three things are not there in proper quantity, the seeds will not germinate. So, because of these three reasons, some of the seeds do not germinate. Let's see our next topic. Our next topic is growing new plant from seeds, and we will see it stepwise. The first step is the seed gets water, air and warmth. It means प्रॉपर टेम्परेचर. ये तीन कंडीशन बहुत ज़रूरी होती है, राइट? क्या चाहिए सीड को सबसे पहले? एयर, वाटर एंड वार्म. सेकेंड, when the favorable conditions are there, then what happens? Seed coats break and the baby plant grows. What happens next? जो seed coat था वो break होने लगता है, and we had seen the baby plant present inside the seed, it starts growing. Third, roots and shoots develop in baby plant and form seedlings or young plant. What is seedling? Seedling is young plant. When the plant starts to grow, what happens is, children, see. This is shoot system, okay, and this is root system, okay. When a young plant starts to grow, what happens is the shoot system starts to grow and the root system starts to grow, okay. Then let's see what is the fourth point. Here it is. Plant grows and leaves develop in it. Cotyledons shrink and disappear. Afterwards, leaves will develop, then gradually fruits will come and the plant will grow, and gradually the cotyledons will shrink and it will disappear. So this is how a new plant grows. So beautiful, na? Now our next topic is dispersal of seeds. How do seeds get dispersed? Dispersed मतलब scatter होना, बिखरना. जो seeds होती है वो बिखरती कैसे? How do seeds get dispersed? Now children, there are 4 agents of dispersion, okay. Which are these agents? First is wind, second water, third birds and fourth animal. What do we mean by agent? Which helps in dispersal of seeds. So we will study them one by one. Observe this video carefully. Now see children, this is a cotton plant, okay, and these are cotton seeds, and these cotton seeds have hairs. That's why they are very light in weight, and when wind blows, what happens? The seeds are taken away by the wind, as you can see. So this is how wind helps in dispersion of seeds. See, the wind is blowing and the seeds are getting dispersed. These are the examples of plants in which dispersion of seeds happen by wind. Example, madar, hiptage and cotton. The second one is dispersal by water. This is a ये किसकी seeds है? ये है lotus की seeds and it is very spongy and that's why it can swim in water, and that's why the seeds of lotus get dispersed by water. Let's see a small video. Coconut also gets dispersed by water. See, oh, it fell down and now it will swim through the water, and this is how dispersal by water occurs. Fourth one is dispersal by animals. Oh, they are enjoying, they are having party. Do you also eat like this? आप भी ऐसे खाते हो? We also eat fruits, right? And we also help in dispersal of seeds. How? When we eat fruits, we throw the seeds here or there, and by this we are helping in dispersal of seeds. Oh, they are enjoying a lot. See children, these animals eat fruits, and what happens is they help in dispersal of seeds because they do not eat at one place. They take the fruit and they go somewhere at a safe place, and then they will have their partying. Okay, then they will do a party and then they will eat the fruit. So what happens is the seeds get dispersed. Examples of dispersal by animals are the seeds which get dispersed by animals are burdock, xanthium, tiger, nail, spear grass, and the last one is dispersal by explosion. किसका explosion होता है यहाँ? See, I will show you a small video. Oh, he is touching the fruit, and what will happen? Let's see. Oh, the fruit exploded. See children, there are some fruits which get dry. Okay, वो सूख जाते हैं थोड़े टाइम बाद, and when we touch them, they explode. And because of the force of explosion, the seed gets dispersed. Okay, here it was. Example of the seeds which get dispersed by explosion are poppy, pea pod and balsam. Okay kids, for today our topics have completed. Now time for worksheet. Our video never ends without a worksheet. So here it is, come on. Topic: structure of seed, growing new plants from seeds. Name the parts of seeds. Second, which part of the seed contains food for the baby plant? Third, name any 3 things that we get from plants. Fourth, dash are called our green friends. Fifth, dash store food for the baby plants. Okay, so children, if plants are our green friends, what should we do? We should plant more and more plants in our surrounding. We should never cut them. Okay, So on your birthday, what you will do? You will make one new green friend. You will plant a new plant. Okay. So children, for today this was it. Study well. May God bless you.